Today, we're addressing the question, can I use a restaurant gift card on DoorDash? This is a query we've encountered from many consumers looking to make the most of their gift cards in our increasingly digital and delivery-focused world. Let's explore this topic together. Firstly, it's important to understand what DoorDash is. As a third-party delivery platform, DoorDash connects customers with a wide range of restaurants, allowing them to order food to be delivered right to their doorstep. Now, the core question here revolves around payment methods, and specifically, whether DoorDash accepts restaurant-specific gift cards. The simple answer is typically, restaurant gift cards cannot be used directly on DoorDash. This is because these gift cards are meant to be used at the physical restaurant or, in some cases, through the restaurant's own website or delivery service. When you think about it, this limitation makes sense, as DoorDash operates independently from the individual restaurants and therefore has its own payment processing systems. However, there is a silver lining. DoorDash does offer its own gift cards. These can be a great alternative, giving the recipient the freedom to order from a wide variety of restaurants listed on the DoorDash platform, not just one. It's a versatile solution, especially when you're not sure which restaurant your gift card recipient prefers. Furthermore, it's worth noting that while restaurant gift cards are generally not accepted, DoorDash actively collaborates with various restaurants and chains to offer unique promotions and discounts. This means that while you might not be able to use a specific restaurant's gift card, you could still access savings and deals through the DoorDash app or website, enhancing your overall dining experience. In conclusion, while you can't directly use a restaurant gift card on DoorDash, there are alternatives and options that ensure you can still enjoy a diversified dining experience from your home. Consider purchasing a DoorDash gift card instead, which offers the flexibility to order from many different restaurants on the platform. Thank you for watching. Remember, navigating the digital delivery landscape can be tricky, but understanding your options makes it easier to enjoy your meals in a way that suits your lifestyle. Keep exploring and happy ordering.